poppin' Molly for so, yeah. I never want nobody sober. Up all night till it's over. Over.
What's up, YouTube? So I finally got my vinyl. As you can see, I already applied that one and the small one, and now I gotta do this one. So once I'm done with this, I'll let you know how it looks. What's going on, fans? So I finally got that red right there in the vinyl. The bottom on the curve is installed, and that's how it looks right now. It's pretty clean, so it goes all around, and the rear spoilers, I mean diffuser, whatever you call it. So I got in the back right there, the bottom, and then on the side, and then as you go in the front, I got like the racing stripes over here on the window and side mirrors. And then the back, I mean the front, obviously, I was showing in the previous video, the red at the bottom. So that's looking great now, for sure. That's how it is now. And yeah, came out really well. What I'm missing right now is getting the calipers red. So I know a lot of you guys told me to get the calipers red, and hopefully that comes in a week. So yeah, I might do that on the weekend. And stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon to support my channel. I really appreciate your ideas and comment and suggestions. Please comment below for any questions or anything like that. And yeah, loving this look right now. Thanks for watching. Later.